Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in percentages. First, let's grasp the core concept. A percentage is simply a way to express a part of a whole, always out of 100. Think of it as a fraction with a denominator of 100. Understanding this fundamental relationship is crucial. We'll cover how to convert between fractions, decimals, and percentages, which forms the bedrock of all percentage calculations. This initial step ensures you build a strong foundation for more complex problems. Now, let's dive into practical calculations. You'll learn to confidently find a percentage of any number, whether it's calculating a 20% discount or a 7% sales tax. We'll also explore how to determine percentage increases and decreases, which is vital for understanding growth or reduction. Mastering these calculations involves setting up the correct proportion or using simple multiplication. Practice with various examples will solidify your understanding and build your problem-solving speed. Many people stumble on common percentage pitfalls. One frequent error is misidentifying the whole or base number, leading to incorrect results. Another is confusing percentage points with percentage change, especially in financial contexts. We'll highlight these traps and show you how to avoid them. Paying close attention to the wording of a problem and consistently checking your work are key strategies. A little extra care can prevent significant calculation mistakes and ensure accuracy. To truly excel, we'll explore more advanced percentage concepts. This includes understanding compound interest, which is crucial for savings and investments, and how it differs from simple interest. We'll also tackle successive percentage changes, like a price increasing by 10% and then decreasing by 5%. These scenarios require careful step-by-step calculation. By mastering these areas, you'll be equipped to handle complex real-world problems and interpret data with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.